Oh my god, the smell of coffee, and this coffee smells so good. It's from TWG. No, it's not. It is from Baka Coffee. Whilst I wait for that to drip, welcome to another weekly vlog. I want to start doing these more often so I can show you guys my life in Singapore, partly because I can't travel anywhere, so there's no travel vlogs, but at least I get to show you around here. I am at my studio today. I've been working here a lot. I guess it's my new office filming space and kind of like nail and makeup area. I haven't started running workshops just yet. We still got a couple more things to do before I can do that. But today, what are we doing today? We are filming a try-on haul because I got a bunch of Korean fashion from YesStyle. It actually arrived months ago, but I've just been putting this video off because compared to like makeup videos, I feel like fashion or try-on hauls, it requires a different setup. So I've been very, very lazy and I've been putting it off. But recently I came across a saying or a quote that really kind of hit home for me, and that is, doing the hard things makes life easier. Doing the easy things makes life harder. And I totally agree. You know, a lot of the time when I just want to take the easy way out, maybe I'll procrastinate and like not do any work. It stresses me out more. It makes my life harder because I chose to do the easy thing in that moment. So we're going to live by this quote or philosophy and do the harder things. So even though I need to set up, and it's a different setup, might take a bit longer, might be a little bit harder to just like get the setting right, it'll be worth it. Please watch the video so then it's worth it for me. So I just finished filming my haul video. Check out this outfit, guys. What did I buy online? I don't know. But now I'm just going to get changed and I've got a event to go to, Sephora Press Day. It's gonna be a little bit different this year because of COVID, but I'll take you guys along with me. Now we're gonna go have dinner nearby and we have Bikkie with us. I just realized we have not emptied our an espresso machine in a while, and it's like filled to the brim. Oh my god, there's some pod stuck inside, boo. It didn't make it.
Yeah, some of them just like...
It's so full. These are gonna get recycled. I realized that I think I forgot my phone at home, but I'm like, oh, too lazy to walk back, and so I'll just be phoneless for the day. I'm going to be editing my video that I filmed yesterday for the rest of the day, and so I'll check back in with you guys later. Guys, in today's episode, I've got a Korean fashion try-on haul for you guys. Alfred just came with a special plant delivery. He got some plants for my studio. Okay, now we just need to find a home for these. I am back at the studio today. I need to finish off some editing, but I thought I'd show you my outfit. Same color as yesterday, but different style. This is a dress. I think it's from Love Benito. It's actually quite old. I really like it because it has pockets and it's just super comfy. Love the color. Guess what I forgot this morning, guys? My phone. Once again. That's twice. 2 days in a row I've forgotten my phone, and I just feel so empty. I think the main reason is because I've been trying not to spend the mornings on my phone. Like when I wake up, I usually just check my phone, like my Instagram, YouTube, emails, and then before I know it, an hour has gone past or something, and I'm like, I should have like started my day already. And so I've been trying to be more aware and strict with myself that I don't spend or really like waste time on my phone, and I end up forgetting it entirely. Anyways, this morning I need to get my editing done. I was here till like 8:30 last night, and I still haven't finished yet. So it usually takes me like at least maybe 2 days, because this is more of a complicated edit. There's lots of like different outfits and stuff. So I'm just gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be grinding it out. Hang in there with me, guys. Support me.
Why do I look so like a fat bird? I actually don't know which one's worse.
So I'm done with the main editing. I've kind of like cut everything, put all the names and stuff in, and just to let you guys know, I use Premiere to edit my videos, and then now I need to find some music to go with this. For music, I usually go on Epidemic Sound because I have royalty-free music, and I just have a bunch of stuff that I've saved in my playlist, or I just like go through them and listen to see what sort of tracks I like. So this platform's great for content creators. Not sponsored, I just thought I'd share with you some back-end stuff that happens to create videos for you guys. I'm just about to click public. Woo! I am done with work, guys. Yay! I can finally take a break. That video will be probably uploaded by the time this video comes out, so make sure you check it out. I'm gonna head home now. Tonight for dinner, we're gonna cook at home and we're gonna have Thai. So we have some leftover rice, so I thought we'd make some Thai olive fried rice. And then I have these skewers from a small business, like a home-based business in Singapore. They sell these Thai skewers and it's really delicious. What was a weird way to say delicious? Yeah, so I'm just gonna pop these in the oven and yeah. Back at the studio today, Alfred and I were shooting some Instagram stuff for a brand I'm working with. I don't know, can I say it in this video? I think maybe I can, because by the time this video comes out, I would have announced it. But this year, I'm an ambassador for Lancome. It's a really big deal because I've been using Lancome for years and my mum has too, and so we've just kind of gone full circle, and this year I'm one of their brand ambassadors. So we're gonna do a shoot with their Genifique product, and it's gonna be my announcement post. And I'm just so awkward when it comes to shooting stuff for Instagram, like posy stuff, if you know what I mean. I don't know, I'm just really awkward with my body. Like, I don't know, if it's beauty shots, I can definitely do that, but when it comes to like more the rest of the body or like outfit shots, oh my god, I'm hopeless. So my way around it is I like to jump on Pinterest. I like to just search up like poses, try to get ideas, I'll pin them, and then try to recreate or kind of like make it my own. Oh, I really like that. That's kind of like a beauty shot. Oh, that's really cool. I don't have little flowers like that though. Look at her, she's just in her bathtub looking glam. Like, she rocks it. I don't have a bathtub, so I can't do that. How are you guys when it comes to your Instagram game? I feel like I'm just way behind. I think it's because when it comes to Instagram, I feel like there's this need to be perfect, and I'm like not perfect, and I feel like, you know, people have to edit their photos. I'm just really lazy, but for some reason I'll put all my effort into creating videos, and that takes way longer and more dedication. But for some reason I just feel like I can just be me on video, but when it's a photo, capturing me is just awkward. Like, it's just not Instagram content. Honestly, like, Alfred and I, we rarely fight, but when we do fight, it's always about freaking like Instagram. Like, if he takes photos of me, and he's a tall guy, right? So he needs to bend because I'm a little girl. I'm like short, so he needs to bend. And like, if we're out in public, it's just awkward. Do you know what I mean? Like, you just gotta stop and you're trying to like get these poses, and then here I'm really awkward. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I look like on camera. Alfred, he's just bending really low trying to get the shots, and it's just like, ugh. In public, it's just like we feel really embarrassed, and so we just don't do it. Hence why I rarely have outfit shots on my Instagram. But maybe that will change because I've got like a studio now. I can kind of experiment a little bit more and not have to be out in public. But yeah, Instagram fights. Like this video if you can relate. Okay, so I just got changed. I'm gonna wear this white flowy dress. It comes with a little string, but I totally forgot it at home. I must have just like ripped the tag off and then left that on my table. So I just look like I've got no shape, and I'm wearing black underwear. See, I told you guys I'm not good at this thing. But I got some dry reeds and bunny tails for the shoot. What's wrong? You think my hair?
Your hair's flat today.
It's because it's center part. Because that's what Gen Z said is cool.
Twisted. Yeah, more.
I think we got the shot, guys. I don't know if you can see. That's the shot. Oh, I like it. Oh. What's really cool about this cafe is that they also have like a pet section, pet supplies, so you can get all like different dog foods, harnesses, beds, like pretty much anything that you want for your dog you can get here. There's some $5 toys here, and I'm gonna get Biscuit to choose which toy she likes. Say, okay. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one do you like? This one? This one? Okay, okay, okay. This one. For dinner tonight, we're making squid ink pasta. I've been craving this, and last time Alfred made it, it was really good. It's looking good. Does it need more salt?
No, it's quite salty. Maybe
Guys, if you're on a first date, never order squid ink pasta. You guys, my Korean fashion try on haul video is gone nuts. It's crazy. Right now it's on 763,000 views 4 days ago. Whoa. And the comments, I'm so glad that a lot of you guys just found it so funny. I was a little bit worried when a few of you said that you almost choked on your food. But yeah, that was a super fun video to film, and it was just so unexpected. By far, it is my probably most viewed video in a long time. You know, views like this, I mean, it's just so hard to predict if the video is going to go viral or not. So it just goes to show that doing the hard things makes life easier, and when you do the easy things, it makes life harder. I'm really glad that paid off. What's really funny is that my mum was laughing at it too, even though she didn't really understand what I was saying. She was just kind of like laughing with me. Alfred's mum loved it. It's Alfred's favorite video, he told me. So yeah, I guess I gotta do some more online shopping. It's an investment, right?